Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys. Can you hear me, guys? We're doing holdings. Our company is mainly produce edible oil equipment. If you have any question, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. I adjust my picture. Wait a moment. Okay. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil production line and process. We have different skills, palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment. The small, you can see, this is a 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. I will introduce the different skills, palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. If you have any question, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. Welcome, guys. Our company is doing holdings. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China, and our company has its own factory and engineer with support customization. Our company is mainly produce the edible oil production equipment. The palm oil, palm kernel oil, and other kinds of edible oil such as soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and sunflower oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible, many kinds of the vegetable oil production equipment we can provide for you. Today our topic is palm oil production line. If you have any question or if you have some need, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. You can type your question and need on comment area. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Now I'm using this video to show the 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. This production line has a processing capacity is 1 ton per hour. Free installation palm oil production line. Its feature is don't need more time for installation. You can quick to produce palm oil. This free installation palm oil production line has entire process palm oil machine. It is complete. The first step is sterilization. We set 3 sterilization tank to cook the FFB, the fresh palm fruit bunches, with a hot vapor to cook FFB. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Welcome. The purpose of the step is makes the FFB soften, and the next step is easier to threshing. Welcome guys to our live show. Our company is mainly manufacturing edible oil production equipment. The production line or single machine always have. Our company has 14 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production line. And our company has its own factory and engineering team. We can support customization. And we have many private project cases. If you're interested in that, we can arrange that sales manager for you according to your need. Send our private project documents for you. Okay, the palm oil production line process includes sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and clarification. The last step is vacuum drying. Now, this picture, the screen is clarification. We set 3 machines for clarification to remove the impurities inside the crude palm oil. And the last step, we use this vacuum dryer to heat crude palm oil to boiling. After boiling, the internal moisture will become hot vapor, go up to the pipeline, and then the moisture will be collected. After production, the impurities need to remove from the plate filter. Okay. Next, let's see the 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. This production line equipment has higher degree of automatic, and the processing capacity is larger. First step still is sterilization, but in the 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line, the sterilizer uses hydraulic door, so you can see we don't need a worker to control. Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys to our live show. Okay, the sterilization time. Sterilization is 60 minutes to 90 minutes, and after sterilization, the palm fruit bunches will become softer and easier to remove palm fruit. This is our thresher. This thresher is a drum type thresher. The palm fruit bunches falls into and the palm fruit bunches is rotated and beaten. Then palm fruit falls into the conveyor. Then is transported to the next step, and empty palm fruit bunches will falls down from the tail of the thresher. This is digester. It is a vertical digester. And inside has you can see the heat coil. And inside has a and this is a oil collection tank. Welcome to our live show, guys. During digesting some any palm oil will flow down to the pipeline below, and in the below pipeline we set this oil collection tank to collect the crude palm oil. The next step is pricing. In the production line, we always use the double screw palm oil presser. It inside has two screens, and they are more relative to each other, and the crude palm oil will be discharged by beating. Its oil residual rate is lower, and the oil processing capacity is larger than single screw palm oil presser. Okay. After pressing, we can get crude palm oil, but it can't be storage because it inside has many impurities such as the fiber, the kernel, the mud, and so on. So next step is clarification. We set 3 machines to remove internal impurities. This is the first machine. It is a vibrating screen. It inside has 2 layers, 2 filter layer to remove the impurities inside the crude palm oil. And next, the crude palm oil flow inside from to the next machine. It is a clarification tank, and in this clarification tank to settle. After settling, impurities will fall down to the lower part, and the upper part is is clean. The upper part is clean oil. So we set this overflow device in upper part. The clean oil will overflow inside and will always be taken. Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys. If you have any question, you can enter our live show, and I will introduce for you. Now, I'm introducing the 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. We have different skills: palm oil production line and single machine. If you have some question or need, you can enter our live show and type your question on the comment area. After clarification, the last step is vacuum drying to remove the crude oil internal moisture. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. This is to treat the exhaust gas. Okay, let's see the next video. This video is 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. This production line inside don't need worker to control transport raw material. Uses incline conveyor. It has higher degree of automatic. Okay, welcome to our live show, guys. Okay, first step is this is the inclined FFB conveyor to transport the FFB. The first step is sterilization. In the 5 tons palm oil production line, we change the sterilizer in this bigger capacity sterilizer. It inside don't not have full cage, and change to use this direct vapor to cook the palm fruit bunches. Just need 60 to 90 minutes, and then the palm fruit bunches falls down to the conveyor to transfer to the thrasher. This is the thrashing. This is a drum type thrasher. The palm fruit bunches inside be rolled and heated The palm fruit falls down to the conveyor below, and empty palm fruit bunches falls out from the tube of the thresher. This is our vertical digester. And inside has heat coil and stir blood. It can destroy the structure of palm fruit. During digestion, any crude palm oil will flow out, and this oil collection tank is used for collect crude palm oil. When the palm fruit goes straight falls down to the double screw palm oil presser. In production line, we always use this double screw palm oil presser. You don't need a worker to control inside pressure. And inside has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer in the tube. They need one worker to control, and has higher processing capacity. After pressing, crude palm oil force be pumped to the clarification tank. It enters it from the middle and lower parts to settle. After settling, the impurities falls down to the lower part, and this part is a clean oil. This is the overflow device. The clean oil will overflow in it and be taken. The second clarification machine is this vibrating screen. It has two layers to filtering the impurities in the crude palm oil. And after filtering, the impurities will transport back to the presser for press again, reduce it in to reduce the oil residual weight. The last clarification machine is this plate filter. It has many filter clothes and a plate on it. The cleaned crude palm oil will flow out by beating, by squeezing, and the impurities will stay on the plate filter. This is the oil vacuum dryer. Okay. After drying. The internal moisture of crude palm oil rate is lower than 0.2%. It will be pumped to the oil storage tank for next step. Next step, you can equip a refinery production line to produce production oil, and then you can sell the crude palm oil to the refining plant. Okay, next, let's see the picture to learn about our equipment. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. We are doing holdings. We have many previous project concerned to you, and we have many experience for edible oil production equipment. Palm oil, palm kernel oil, rapeseed oil, soybean oil, and condensate oil, and so on. Many kinds of oil we can introduce for you, and if you have any question or need, I will answer it for you in this live stream, and we can arrange a sales manager for you, give you free quotation, selection guide, and other services. And we welcome you visit our factory and have a communication with us. Okay, let's see the single machine. First machine is the presser, the palm oil presser. We have two kinds of palm oil presser. First is the single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. It has two power system, the diesel engine system and the motor system. You can choose it according to your need. This single screw palm oil presser is suitable for home use and palm oil production line starters, or it can use for simple palm oil production line. It needs worker to control internal pressure, but it's easy to operate, and it don't need many costs. We have machine in stock. If you need, we can transport it to you quickly. Okay, the second presser, palm oil presser, is this double screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is larger, 1 to 2 tons per hour to 15 tons per hour. We all can provide for you. And this double screw palm oil presser, it inside has 2 screws, and it if you use this double screw palm oil presser, you can have higher oil yield and the quality of crude palm oil will be better. Its pressure effect is better. And it inside the pressure during worker to control. In the middle part, we set a hydraulic pump station and we set a reducer in the two. So during worker to control, it has higher degree of automatic. Okay. Next, let's see the production line. We have many kinds of production line. The first type is a simple palm oil presser. It just have 3 to 4 machine. The first is a thrasher. It is a simple time thrashing machine. This simple palm oil production line have a processing capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. This simple production line, it can improve your production efficiency and give you better quality of crude palm oil. First is a simple time thrashing machine, and the second machine is a presser, the single screw palm oil presser or double screw palm oil presser. You can choose it according to your need. And last machine is this filter. With that, we can equip the plate filter, or if you want to get cleaner crude palm oil, we can add a vibrating screen before the plate filter. So the simple palm oil production line constituted for 3 to 4 machine. Okay, the second type is small scale palm oil presser. Its capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. It includes entire process machine, the sterilizer, thrashing, digesting, and pressing, the clarification system, and the steam boiler. We all can equip completely for you. And this small scale palm oil presser also has automatic process and high production efficiency, can give you high oil yield, high quality of crude palm oil. The process includes the sterilization, thrashing, digesting, pressing, clarification, filtering, and vacuum drying. After this step, you can get the stable crude palm oil. Okay. Next, let's see the medium and large scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is larger. Its processing capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. In the entire process and production line, each step we can equip multiple machines. Okay, and this medium and large scale palm oil process Welcome guys to our live show. It's more than this medium and large scale palm oil production line. It's more than a kernel recovery station and a water treatment station. The entire process uses the PLC intelligent control system to control. So don't need worker to control. It can save you labor cost, and it don't need rest. It can 24-hour production. Its process includes sterilization, thrashing, digesting, pressing, and oil clarification. It's more than this kernel recovery station. In this kernel recovery station, the palm kernel will be treated to remove the fiber and peel. After this step, we can get the pure palm kernel. Okay, this step, the medium and the large scale palm oil production line is suitable for medium and large scale palm oil mill plants. You can get the high quality of crude palm oil. Okay, next is the refinery production line of palm oil. In the refinery machine production line, we have three kinds of production line. The first is batch type palm oil refining machine. And with batch type palm oil refining machine, we have two heating systems: the electric heating system and conduction oil heating system. The electric heating system is the smallest, has a processing capacity is small, 0.5 tons per hour per day to 2 tons per day. If you want to invest a small project, the electric heating system batch type refining machine is suitable for you. And the other one is this conduction oil heating system. Its capacity is 1 ton to 20 tons per day. And this batch type palm oil refining machine has the advantage is cost is lower and don't need more area. It has small footprint and it's easy to operate. If you want to change different crude oil for refining, this batch type refining machine will be easier to operate, easier to change different kinds of crude oil. And the second type is semi-continuous palm oil production line. Its capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day. So it is suitable for medium scale oil plant. And its efficiency is higher than last one because this production line, the authorization section is carried out continuously. So it saves this part production time. The production efficiency is better and the quality of oil of the palm oil is better. Well, reduce the oil residual rate. The last refining machine is a fully continuous palm oil refining machine. It is suitable for a large oil plant. Its capacity is more than 30 tons per day. And the whole oil refining process is fully continuously. It haven't waiting time, and it can 24 hours production. The whole oil refining process is use PLC intelligent control system to control a machine. Okay, except the pricing machine, the refining machine. If you want deep processing, you could learn about the fractionation machine, dewaxing machine, and winterization machine. The fractionation machine is suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, coconut oil. And dewaxing machine is suitable for sunflower oil, corn germ oil, raspberry oil, and flaxseed oil. The winterization machine is suitable for cottonseed oil. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question, you can have our live show I will introduce for you. Our company has 14 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment. The whole edible oil processing machine we all can provide for you. The pre-treatment, pricing, and refining machine, fractionation machine, and dewaxing, winterization machine, we all can provide for you. And you can see this part is our supporting equipment. The bottle boiling machine, rebridge, oil storage tank, and the large scale large-scale filling machine we all have. So if you wanna invest edible oil project, we all can provide a machine for you. You can you need your raw materials, what equipment is need, and your question, I can answer it in our live stream, or we will arrange our assistant give you advices. We can provide the full quotation, configuration plan, or select guide for you. If you interested in our equipment, I can introduce for you. Okay, next let's see the palm kernel oil production line. Its capacity is 5 tons. It's a 500 kilogram per hour. It's suitable for home use and small investors and palm kernel oil replant. Its advantage includes good wear resistant, and it has high degree of automatic. It's easy to operate, and this pressure suitable for production line. Okay, sorry. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil. You can enter our live show to learn about the process and the equipment. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area. I will introduce for you. Welcome guys to our live show. And the other one single motion is this kernel, is a palm kernel, and cracking and separating machine. Its processing capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour. We have a 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. It can separate. It purpose for separate the shell and kernel. Then it can cracking the shell, then separate the kernel with shell. This separate and cracking system is fully continuous. Don't need worker to control. The shelling rate is more than 95%, and the separation rate also is 95%. The batter, in fact, can reach 97 to 98%. And has a low broken rate of palm kernel, has low investment, and has high production efficiency. Okay, the next one is production line. Next is the palm kernel oil pricing line. The production line includes the cracking and splitting system, and crushing machine, cooker, and palm kernel, oil presser, and plate filter. We can support specialized customization for you, give you free quotation, selection guide, configuration according to your need. And the processing is includes first the palm nut put inside to cracking and separate the kernel with the shell. Then the pure palm kernel is sent to the crushing machine. In the crushing machine, it will be crushed for multiple pieces by squeezing, and then the palm kernel is sent to the cooking to adjust the moisture and temperature. Then it can be sent to the pressing machine, and the cooled palm kernel oil will be pumped to the filtering machine, the plate filter. Then we can get the cleaner palm kernel oil. Okay, this is the palm kernel oil entire process and the entire machine. If you have some need, you can to our live show and I will introduce for you, or you can give us a follow, guys. You can follow us our live show once every 2 weeks. So if you want to get more information, if you want to learn about our other equipment or other process, you could find us. Okay, except the palm oil and palm kernel oil, the other vegetable oil production equipment we can provide for you. This is the single machine, peanut oil processing machine, and soybean oil processing machine, sunflower oil, raspberry oil processing machine. All we can provide for you guys. Okay. Let's introduce my company again. Our company is doing holdings. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. Our company was established in 2011, and so we have 14 years experience to manufacturing edible oil production equipment. This is our factory. We have its own factory and engineer team. Our engineer team could give you specialized customization according to need, according to capacity. Okay. This is our project cases. We have many private projects in China and the other country, in Nigeria, Indonesia, Congo, and Thailand, Kenya. We also have private project. If you are interested in it, our engineer team can send it for you. Okay, this is our services. The The pre-sale services, it can support one-to-one configuration plan, and we welcome you visit our factory and have a communication with us. The on-sale service, our sales manager can help you to check the production conditions of the machine, and our sales manager could communicate the progress of equipment manufacturing with you. And other sales services, our equipment has 1 year warranty, and we can send our after-sale engineer to you locate and give you technical training and help you to install our equipment. Okay guys, do you have any question? Our company will end. We have 3 minutes. We have the palm oil and palm kernel oil production line, and the refining machine. Okay, this is refining machine, fractionation machine, devaxing machine, neutralization machine. If you have any question, or if you want learn about something about the palm oil and palm kernel oil production process, you can enter our live show. This is our refining machine. We have 3 kinds of refining machine. First type is a batch type palm oil refining machine. It is for small investor. It processing capacity is less than 20 tons per day. We have electric heating system and conduction oil system. The second one is semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. Its processing capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day. It can give you better effect and a higher efficiency. The last one is this fully continuous palm oil refining machine. It has processing capacity is more than 30 tons per day. And so it is suitable for medium and large oil plant. The whole oil refining process is fully continuous and has a high degree of automation, high production capacity. Don't need more worker in the workshop. Could save you labor cost. Okay. Before this one, we also have the different scale palm oil pricing production line. There's a medium large scale palm oil production line, 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. And the small scale palm oil pricing production line, and the capacity is 1 to 5K. See you next time. Bye bye.